ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delayed Tahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Message of congratulations. Commendable water and soil conservation activities in Afabet subzone. Russia takes out 3 US-made Ukrainian missile systems. And NATO threatening global peace and stability. On our local news, President Isaias Afwerki sent a message of congratulations to President Mr. Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of the Republic of South Sudan, on the occasion of the celebration of Independence Day. In his letter, President Isaias expressed his confidence that the traditional close and solid relationship between the two countries will continue to grow and strengthen in the years ahead. President Isaias also wished good health to President Salva Kiir Mayardit, as well as success and peace and prosperity for the people of the Republic of South Sudan. Republic of South Sudan declared its independence on 9th July 2011. Residents of Afabet subzone, in collaboration with members of defense forces, are conducting commendable water and soil conservation activities. The popular campaign includes construction of terraces and water diversion schemes, as well as development of irrigation farming. In the first 15 days of the campaign, which the strong participation of about 1,000 people daily, water diversions and water catchment schemes have been constructed that could support irrigation farming on 80 hectares of land. Additionally, 7,200 cubic meters of terraces have been built. Mr. Osman Idris, a water and soil conservation expert in the subzone, commended the strong participation of the residents and members of the defense forces in the program. Participants indicating that they are gaining valuable experience by participating in the program and expressed their readiness to continue their involvement. Members of Sawa Housing Construction and Development Company have voluntarily contributed 80 units of blood to enrich the blood supply of the National Blood Transfusion Service. Nurse Awa Mikael Johannes, head of the blood collection campaign at the National Blood Transfusion Service, said that the closing of the schools and college blood collection campaign will be conducted at the ministries. He also commended the initiative taken by members of the company, and Dr. Johannes Techaste, medical director of the National Blood Transfusion Service, said that due to the voluntary blood donation by government institutions and campaigns, during a rainy season, health facilities do not encounter blood shortage. Dr. Johannes also noted that number of voluntary blood donors, which was 60,000 last year, has now increased to 88,000 rather. The participants of the program indicated that they gained spiritual satisfaction from donating blood to save lives with their renewable blood and expressed their conviction to continue donating. They also called on others to follow this noble example. Vocational training in collaboration with the Office of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students and Health and Education Institutions has been provided to 93 youth in Fanko administrative area Tesani subzone. Mr. Meles Gabrai, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students in the subzone, indicated that 2-month training program includes first aid and social science. He called on stakeholders and partners to strengthen their participation in the efforts to develop the overall capacity of the youth. Mr. Ibrahim Haj, administrator of the administrative area, commended the initiatives to develop the vocational skills the youth and expressed the readiness of the administrative areas to play its part in the effort. Dear viewers, we'll be back with the international news shortly. Do stay tuned. Welcome back. Moscow has said the Russian military has destroyed 3 U.S. supplies Ukrainian high-mobility artillery rocket system, along with some of the foreign military personnel helping Kiev operate the missile ERi. On Monday, the defense minister said that The system were eliminating through the combined action of the Russian warplanes, drone artillery, and missile forces. It added that the strike also killed up to 10 foreign specialist service. Those system officials, however, would not say where the rockets were destroyed, nor would they provide details regarding the nationality of the foreign personnel. However, several Russian Telegram channels reveal a video of alleged strikes, claiming it had taken a Russian Kherson region at night. On our last news, NATO is a threat to global peace and stability because of its deep-rooted Cold War mentality and ideological base, Chinese Foreign Minister spokesperson Lin Jian said on Monday. Lin was asked by Bloomberg at the daily briefing of the comment on recent reporters that the US-led military bloc is planning to sign a cooperation agreement with Japan, South Korea, Australia, and New Zealand at upcoming NATO summit in Washington. The spokesperson responded by stating that NATO is a product of Cold War and world's largest military alliance. Despite claiming that to be a regional and defense organization, according to Lin, the bloc has continued to expand its power across borders, break through defense zones, and provoke confrontations. Lin remarks came as NATO bolsters its effort to establish relations with countries across Asia-Pacific, at the same time claiming it does not seek formally expand into the region. That is all for our local international news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Message of congratulations. Commendable water and soil conservation activities in Afabet South Zone. Russia takes out 3 US-made Vocational missile systems. And NATO threatening global peace and stability. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for watching and have a good night.